In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to group layers Adobe After Effects. Grouping in After Effects is done through a feature called precompose, and it's the cleanest way to bundle multiple layers so you can move, scale, animate, or add effects to them as a single unit. This keeps your timeline organized and helps you work faster without changing your visual results. Start by opening After Effects and the composition where your layers live. Look down in the timeline panel and decide which layers you want to manage together. To select a continuous range, click the first layer in the list, hold Shift, and click the last one. If your layers are scattered, hold Control on Windows or Command on Mac and click each layer you want to include. Take a second to confirm you've got only the layers you really need. Text, shapes, solids, footage, or adjustment layers are all fair game. With those layers highlighted, right-click directly on any of the selected layers and choose Precompose. This brings up the Precompose dialog, which is where the grouping actually happens. Select the option that says Move all attributes into the new composition. This keeps any keyframes, effects, and blending modes attached to the layers themselves and places them neatly inside a new composition, while your main timeline gets a single tidy layer representing that group. It's the safest choice when you want your final look to remain exactly the same as before the group. Give the new composition a clear descriptive name so you'll recognize it later. Good naming prevents confusion when projects get complex, and it makes it obvious what's inside that grouped layer. Then click OK. Instantly, your timeline replaces the multiple selected layers with one layer that contains them all. You can now scale, rotate, reposition, or apply effects to this single layer, and those changes will affect the entire group uniformly. A few tips as you proceed. Precomposing is non-destructive, so your original layers are preserved inside the new composition. This approach helps avoid clutter, reduces the chance of accidentally misaligning elements, and keeps your animation controls centralized. If you're working with timing-sensitive elements, remember that the new composition will inherit the timing of the selected layers, so your visual result won't shift. And when you animate the grouped layer, transformations apply consistently to everything inside, which is ideal for logos, titles, and multi-layer graphics. That's all it takes. By selecting your layers, precomposing them with attributes moved into a new composition, naming it clearly, and confirming with OK, you've effectively grouped your layers into a single manageable layer.